Hello everyone. So we were on chapter complex number. One surprise for you. We have created our own Telegram channel. Link in description box, or you can simply type Team Vijay Education. You will get it. Here we give regular DPPs, daily practice problem questions with fully explained solutions on next day, so that you can try them. And questions level start from board level till JEE Advanced, Mains and NEET level. Okay. We also do giveaway of study materials sometimes, so we announce there and many more things. And in our giveaways, we try to provide the giveaway to everyone through digital ways. It's not only for some specific winners, but for all of you. Okay. Because all of you watch our videos. And one more thing, please subscribe our channel. It gives us the motivation to make more such videos, educational videos, strategy videos for you. Okay, do share, like, and do comment and tell me what you want in next video. So now let's start algebra of complex numbers. So what comes in algebra? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first let's see addition. Let's take two complex numbers. First one is z1 equals to a1 plus iota b1, and let's take second as z2 equals to a2 plus iota b2. We have these two complex numbers. Now we have to add them, z1 plus z2. So how to do it? Add real part of z1 plus real part of z2, then plus take iota common, and then add imaginary part of z1 plus imaginary part of z2. So what you will get? z1 plus z2 equals to a1 plus a2 iota common b1 plus b2. Hope this is clear to you, basic things, but we have to get through it to learn the whole chapter. Now next comes subtraction of complex numbers. So we have same complex numbers, a1 plus iota b1 and a2 plus iota b2. Now what we have to do, z1 minus z2. So we can represent it as z1 plus of minus z2. Okay. So here basically we are doing addition. Okay. So z1 was a1 plus iota b1. Now plus minus of z2. So minus of a2 minus iota b2. Hope this is clear. So we will get a1 minus a2 plus of iota common b1 minus b2. Next we have multiplication. So now let's take two complex numbers, z1 equals to a plus iota b and z2 equals to c plus iota d. Now z1 into z2, so we have to just multiply simply. a1 plus iota b, c plus iota d. So multiply ac plus iota ad plus iota bc plus iota square ad. Now have you watched my previous video, part 1? So you might be known to this. Iota square is nothing but minus 1. So our expression would be ac plus, take iota common, ad plus bc minus bd. So we can write as ac minus bd plus iota ad plus bc. Okay, hope this is clear to you. Next we have division of complex numbers. So let's take z1 equals to a plus iota b, z2 equals to c plus iota d. Next we have to do z1 plus z2. Here listen carefully. we have represented it like this. Now whenever you have iota in any of the terms of denominator, so what you have to do, rationalize it. You know rationalization, in very small classes we are being taught. So rationalize it, multiply and divide the whole term by c minus iota d and c minus iota d. Okay, so what you will get, multiply here ac minus iota ad plus iota bc minus iota square bd upon, now here you have a plus b and a minus b, so using this identity we get a square minus b square. You should know this till now. So a square minus of b square. Okay, now we know since iota square equals to -1, so our expression will be ac plus bd plus iota bc minus ad. Okay, what we did here, we did in place of iota square it would be -1, so this here would be plus, and here also this would be plus. Okay, so you will get this by multiplying. You can write imaginary and real part separately also. This is a real part, ac plus bd upon c square plus d square, and imaginary part will be bc minus ad upon c square plus d square. Hope you get this. Now you can take the screenshot if you need. Next comes modulus of complex numbers, mod or modulus. Okay, mod z representation, and let's say z is a plus iota b, so we have to find z, mod z, modulus of z. It is under the root of square of real part of z plus square of imaginary part of z. Here real part is a and imaginary part is the part with iota, which is b. Hope this is clear to you. Next topic is, these are short basic terms, very important, conjugate of complex numbers. Now you have a complex number a plus iota b, so conjugate, it is represented by this. We make a bar, okay, z bar, we call it a minus iota b. What we are doing here, basically just change the sign of iota. Here it was plus, so just do it minus. If you had z equals to a minus iota b, so its conjugate will be a plus iota b. We have to just change the sign of z. Hope this much is clear to you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe the video. In next 1 or 2 parts we might complete the chapter. Join the Telegram group for every announcement, giveaways, and daily I provide you many days I provide you DPPs along with solutions on next day, so please join. Okay, thank you.